Hey, what's up guys, it's Sandeep here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Notepad++ to create a log file that adds the current date and time each time the file is opened. So let me create one dummy file. Let's go ahead, create a new let's open Notepad, create a dummy file, open the new note file, and just you have to do, you have to write .log at the beginning of the file and click enter, and then just save it. Let's say my log and save it. Okay, now let me write my first comment. This is my first comment. Okay, let me close this, save this file and close it. Let me again open it. Now you can see it has added current time and the date. Now this is my second comment. Let's save it again and close this. Let's open it again, and you can see it has added another date and timestamp here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe.